Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Neil if you're new. And if you're not new, if you're one of those loyal subscribers, you watch all my videos, you're likely thinking, Neil, this is not a hockey related video. What's going on? But if you are one of those loyal viewers, then you do know that I have a series on the channel called the GeoGuessr series, where we take a look at maps and I try and guess my location around the world. It's so fun. It's one of my most favorite games in the entire world. I love geography. I love traveling. I've been very lucky to travel all over basically most of North America. I've never been to Europe, unfortunately, or Australia, but I've done a lot of travel just within North America, and I'm extremely grateful of that. I love traveling. I work as a freelance photographer. Selfish plug, check me out on Instagram, NeilTaylorr, 2 R's at the end. It's linked down below in the description if you want to check out some of my photography. But I love to travel, and if I can combine travel and geography into a product, I'm pretty excited about it, and that is exactly what this is. This and this box right here. Hey guys, if you're one of those geography lovers and you like to travel too, and maybe you don't travel, but maybe just like geography, what's in this box is going to blow you away. Whenever I make purchases, I'm a pretty frugal person, so I like to carefully consider what I am purchasing and making sure it's something that I am truly invested in and that I love. And I can promise you, because I have one of these at work, I can promise you this is one of the coolest items I have ever come across in my entire life, and I am so genuinely excited to show it to you. Let's open it. I've got the overhead camera. We're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you the pieces individually, kind of some close-up shots, and then I'm gonna actually install it on my wall here at my house, walk you through the entire install process, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So you get to see it through the whole process and then up on the wall at the end. Let's get this open. All right, here we are. We've got the box open. We've got the goods in front of us. And this company, guys, oh my goodness, it's heavy. Bear with me. Oh, there we go. I got it out. This company is called Enjoy the Wood. This is a map that goes on your wall that is made of wood. It is layered. It has graphics on it and colors and city names and rivers and lakes and all kinds of amazing things. It is basically a 3D wood map that goes on your wall. It is the coolest damn thing I've ever seen, and I am so excited to put this on my wall. Let's open this up, see what's inside. Actually, let's take it out of the box first. Oh, that is such a cool box. Look at the outside of this box. Usually you throw boxes away. I don't want to throw this away. This looks amazing. Shout out to Enjoy the Wood for having the creativity to actually put something on the box side. That is so cool. And guys, this company is actually not based in America. It's not based in Canada. They're from the Ukraine. It's a family-owned business that they've created, and it is remarkable. It is one of the coolest products that I can say that I own now. So let's open this up. I'm gonna save this box. What's in here? Oh, let's save this until the end, because there's something real special in here, guys. Nice. Look at the marketing. Look at the creativity and the foresight and the thought put into this. All of their social media listed here. They've got a cool, which is a magnet, I believe. That is cool. I'll put that to the side. All kinds of things in here, some information, some stickers. They got stickers? Nice. Look, with love from the Enjoy the Wood team. There they are, guys. That is awesome. Such a personal touch. I really appreciate that. What a wonderful company. And here we go. Here are, now, if I was opening this for the first time, I wouldn't know what a lot of this stuff was, but these are stencils, and these look very familiar because I've put this map together before. But these are stencils. Basically, put one on the top right, left, and then one on the top right, and then you kind of build in from there. So it prevents you from making any mistakes from the beginning, which is an amazing idea. And then here we go. Here are all the individual pieces that you put on the wall. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at the detail. That is unbelievable. and it's all like textured. It's all different layers. Like that is so cool. If you're into geography, if you're into maps, if you're into travel, having something like this on your wall would be just, it would look amazing behind a couch, or behind, as above your bed frame in your bedroom. So cool. So basically all the big pieces kind of come together. Like here's Mexico, and Honduras and a couple of other countries. And just as you break down through the layers here, here's the smaller pieces in this box. So you have a lot of the islands and stuff in here. Like that's actually part of Canada right there. You've got some double-sided tape that you use to actually put it on the wall. And then some awesome like little wooden parts of the ocean, so you can actually name like where that ocean is. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. And as you go down further, there are more little islands, Papua New Guinea. You got the Azores and Malta and all kinds of little islands in there. And I'm gonna put these all back in the box because that's really almost the last thing that I'm gonna do in this project. I have to put all the big stuff together first, so I'm just gonna put that all back together. And then we can just kind of keep unboxing as we go. Remove the styrofoam off to the side. And here we've got South America, we've got Brazil, and all of the wonderful countries down there. You can see all the rivers and tributaries, or whatever you want to call them. And then, here's part of Canada as well. And then we just keep on going. And this is a really cool demonstration here, or example. You can see how it just fits together. So you put double-sided tape on one piece, you put double-sided tape on the other piece, and you just kind of fit it together as they go in the wall. So boom, that goes in the wall, and then you fit that right in, boom, that goes in the wall. So that's really cool. Nice. Looks like we got the top half of Africa here. We got Alaska, some USA action. We've got some Europe going on here. I just love how this is packaged. It's so easy. Everything's protected. It's so well thought out. There, it looks like the south half of Africa there. And then Australia. And a really cool compass piece there. That's also made out of wood. Everything here is made out of wood. And here's the part where most of my viewers will get excited about: the United States of America. I think like 60% of my viewers are from the United States. Look at this, guys. Look at the level, the textures and the details. It is unreal. It is so cool. I love this so much. You get all the capitals on there. Helena, Montana. Or Helena, some people call it. Maybe I say it weird. I say Helena. I think most people actually say it's Helena, but I think I'm the one that's wrong. But anyway, Toronto up here. Shout out to Canadians. Greenland, nice. Russia. Oh, I know I got some Swedes and some Finns watching, that's for sure, and some people from Norway, some Norwegians. Look at that, guys. And here we go. My favorite part, being a Canadian, most of Canada. So, where am I? For you new viewers, you might think, oh, well, he's in Toronto somewhere here. Nope. Is he in Alberta? There's a lot of hockey in Alberta. Nope. I'm all the way over here. I am in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada. All the way over here, guys. This looks like Eastern Russia. We've got Western Russia, Moscow, St. Petersburg, kind of close to Finland there. Very cool. Ekaterinburg. And then we've got, as Trump likes to say, China. Wow, that's cool. It's almost endless. It's unbelievable. It is so cool. And then basically the final piece, guys, Antarctica. And this comes in all kinds of different colors. I chose the more black and white version, or kind of gray toned version, because most of my furniture is black and my TV stand is black, and I really just wanted something that would match. But you can get it in all kinds of different colors. It comes in like a red kind of theme and a strictly wooden theme. And if you don't want Antarctica, you don't have to get Antarctica. You can spend less money and just get the map. And this comes in all different sizes. The one I have here is 200 centimeters. You can get a 150 centimeter version, depending on how much you want to spend, depending on how big you need it or don't need it. There's so many awesome options. It's all the same map. It just comes in different sizes, so it's really cool that way. So now that we've got it all unboxed, let's take some close-up shots, and then let's go start putting this stuff on the wall, shall we? I think one of the coolest things about this product is that it doesn't have to be for you. This could be a perfect gift for someone. Maybe you have a mom and dad that loves to travel or love geography. Or maybe you have a brother or a sister. Or maybe you're buying for your kid, and your kid really is growing up and they're taking an interest in travel and geography and the maps. And this would be an excellent gift for someone. And I'm so happy that the company Enjoy the Woods sent this over. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. I have a link down below in the description, and you can click on that. It'll take you to the site. And if you click on that link, it is an affiliation link. I do get a little bit of money kickback. It's not going to save you any money by clicking that link. It'll just help support the channel. However, I do have a code that you can use. It's just post to post. It's just the name of my channel, basically, post to post, POST, the number 2, and then POST. You can use that code, and that's going to save you some money. And it just helps support the channel. So like I said, just a wonderful product, a wonderful potential gift for someone. Maybe it's just a gift for you. If you love geography, if you love maps, then you're gonna love this. Now, before we get into actually installing it on the wall, I forgot there was one thing I forgot to show you guys. And this is the piece à la résistance. It is so cool. And you guys who love the maps and the flags, specifically the flags, not the maps, but the flags, oh, you guys are gonna be excited for this. Check this out. It is an entire board of pushpin flags of all the countries, guys. Let's take this one out. South Sudan. See, it's just a tack, but it's got an actual flag of the country on the front. Check that out, guys. That is so cool. And you can buy this separately, and they can ship it right in the box, just like mine did. I had to get it tossed in because you guys know I collect flags. I have a couple of flag videos on the channel, and I like doing the guessing, the flag guessing videos too. Those are fun. So to have all the flags as pins in this wonderful little push board, there are already little holes drilled into the map that you can put these right in. So not only can you have a map on your wall, not only are they identified by name, but you can also identify them by pin as well. This is the coolest addition to the map of everything. It's just so unbelievable that they're able to have this. And look at this, flags of states of the USA, provinces flags. Like, they've gone beyond just countries and added in state ones. Now, you guys already know what my favorite one's going to be. It's going to be this Colorado one right there, right in the middle. Check that out. That is so cool. Nice little logo there in the middle as well. All right, guys, let's put this on the wall and see what it looks like. So it might be a little bit daunting because of all the pieces, but it's really not. I promise it's really, really simple and really easy to put on the wall. You just start it with your stencils, one on the left, one on the right, and then you find that top right piece and you put it in, it fits right in the stencil. Then you move over to the left-hand side, find the top left one, you put that in the stencil, and then you decide, well, basically what side you want to start on, and you put the tape on the back of the pieces smartly. There's lots of tape, but you're not going to run out. And then you just start placing them on. I started off on the right-hand side, did my Russia first, and then moved in, and then just kind of, jumped over to the other side and did that section, and just had fun with it. I took my time. I didn't rush through it. I just had a lot of fun. I learned stuff. I learned about geography along the way, things I didn't know. And then at the end, when it was all said and done, I added all the extra things: Antarctica along the bottom, Australia along the right, all the little islands, the extra planes, the compass along the left. And it's really customizable. You don't have to put You know, so you don't have to put the compass on along the left. You can put it in the middle in the Atlantic Ocean and then move that sign up. You can make it your own. You can make it unique, and you can make it personal, which is really cool. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the way it looks. It takes up a massive portion of my wall, and that's exactly how I want it. I want it to be huge. I want it to be a conversation piece. I want to go up to it and just look at it and just have fun. And then at the end, I put all the pins in, all those country flag pins, all those state pins, the provincial pins. I put them all in, but not all of them. I only put in the ones that I've actually been to. So I've been to Ontario, so I put that provincial flag in. I've been to Colorado. I put the state flag in there. Anything that doesn't have a pin on my map is a state, country, or province that I've never been to. And I just decided to do that to make it my own. And it doesn't have to be like that for you. If you want to use all the pins, you can. It's your map. If you don't want to use any pins, you can do that as well. Just have fun with it. You can make it your own, make it personalized, make it, make it you, make it your map, and add the pieces. You don't have to put the plain pieces on there as well. Some people leave them off. I like them. I like to travel, so I like to put the plain pieces on there. I did make a couple of mistakes though. I think one of my cats knocked one of the Japan pieces off and put it underneath the couch. So I took another piece and put it on there that was supposed to go above Russia. It was just a placeholder. I got some of the islands wrong in the Mediterranean. Some of the positions aren't exactly perfect. And then the Iceland portion, I got that one wrong as well. And then the New Zealand angles, that's a bit off, but it at the end of the day, it was a lovely, fun project. And I'm so happy that I was able to put it on the wall. So that wraps it up. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for spending a bit of your day with me. I appreciate you coming along, having some fun, and us exploring this awesome map together. If you're interested, like I said, the link is down below in the description. Also, code post to post saves you some money. And if you get this, if you put it up on your wall, maybe you don't get the same size I do. Maybe you get a smaller size. Maybe you get a different color. Maybe you get a bigger size than me. Maybe you rearrange it just a little bit different. If you get it, send me a photo. Follow me on Twitter. I'm at Post to Post Show on there. My email and all the other links are down below in the description. I would love to see once you get it up on the wall. And if you want to do a video like this, and I would love to see your process and how you did it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you're having an awesome day. Shout out to Enjoy the Wood. What a wonderful company. And I'll catch you guys next time. Adios.